What if I told you that in 2025, you don't need to be a tech genius, a professional editor, or even a coder to make over $1,000 a month online? Thanks to AI, that's now a reality. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful AI tools that people are already using to build side hustles, freelance businesses, and even full-time incomes. These aren't boring tools. They're practical, easy to use, and can help you start earning almost immediately. Let's get into it. At number 1, we have Pollo AI. If you've ever wanted to make money online without expensive software or years of editing skills, Pollo AI is your best friend. This tool can generate professional quality images and videos in just minutes. You simply type in a prompt, and Pollo AI creates everything from stunning digital art to polished ad creatives, product mockups, and even explainer videos. Now, here's where it gets interesting. People are already paying big money for these services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Businesses constantly need fresh visuals for ads, social media, websites, and product launches. Instead of spending hours in Photoshop or After Effects, you can deliver high-quality content created with Pollo AI. Think about it. A simple logo animation or product ad could earn you anywhere from $20 to $200 per project, depending on the complexity and client budget. And since the tool drastically cuts down on production time, you can handle more projects, increasing your monthly income. Pollo AI essentially gives you a one-person creative agency powered by artificial intelligence. Number 2 on our list is ArticleGPT. If you've ever dreamed of running a blog but felt overwhelmed by the endless hours of writing, research, and editing, ArticleGPT is here to make things ridiculously easy. This tool instantly generates SEO-optimized blog posts that are ready to publish. Just type in a topic or keyword, and ArticleGPT produces a full article complete with engaging introductions, structured subheadings, and even calls to action. So how do you make money with it? There are 2 main paths. First, you can launch your own niche blog. With consistent posting and smart keyword targeting, your site can climb Google rankings, attract organic traffic, and generate income through display ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Second, you can sell blog writing as a service. Thousands of businesses need fresh, optimized content to stay competitive online. With ArticleGPT, you can deliver high-quality articles quickly, taking on more clients and building a reliable income stream. At number 3, we have Lovable.dev. Not everyone is a coding expert, but with Lovable.dev, you don't have to be. This AI tool acts like a personal coding assistant, helping you write clean, production-ready code without the headaches of debugging for hours. Whether you're working on a website, an app, or a custom script, Lovable.dev guides you step by step, suggesting improvements, fixing errors, and even generating entire code snippets. Now, let's talk about how this translates into money. Freelance coding is one of the highest paying skills on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TopTail. Businesses and startups are constantly looking for developers to create websites, automate workflows, or build custom software solutions. With Lovable.dev, you can take on projects with confidence even if you're not a senior-level programmer. You could also use it to develop your own SaaS product, plugin, or automation tool, something you can sell on subscription or as a one-time purchase. On top of that, small businesses often need custom scripts to save time and cut costs, and they're willing to pay good money for it. Freelance developers regularly charge $50 to $150 per hour. With the help of Lovable.dev speeding up your workflow, it's not hard to imagine turning coding into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time business. Number 4 on our list is Kling AI. Creating cinematic videos used to require expensive cameras, massive editing skills, and sometimes even a full production team. But Kling AI is changing the game. With just a text prompt, this tool can generate stunning Hollywood-style videos that look like they came straight out of a studio. Whether you want a dramatic short film, a high-energy product ad, or a cinematic scene for YouTube, Kling AI makes it happen in minutes. So how can you turn this into money? The opportunities are huge. You could use Kling AI to create content for your own YouTube channel and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Or you could take on clients, small businesses, startups, and even creators who need professional-looking ads, but don't have the budget for a production crew. You could also create short films or animations for competitions, festivals, or direct sale. And don't forget stock video marketplaces. Uploading unique AI-generated clips could earn you passive income every month. At number 5, we have MakeReels.ai. Short-form content is king right now. Platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts are exploding with growth, and brands know that's where the attention is. MakeReels.ai makes it incredibly easy to ride this wave by transforming simple ideas into polished, viral-ready reels in minutes. You don't need advanced editing skills. Just feed the tool your concept, and it handles the visuals, transitions, captions, and even the pacing to match platform trends. So how do you monetize this? There are 3 powerful ways. First, you can become a social media manager, offering businesses and influencers a steady flow of engaging reels to boost their online presence. Second, you can sell reels directly to influencers or brands who want plug-and-play content without the hassle of creating it themselves. And third, you can grow your own monetized accounts, building an audience around niches like travel, fitness, or lifestyle, and earning from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Number 6 on our list is Framer. In the past, building a professional website meant either learning complex coding languages or paying thousands of dollars to a web developer. But with Framer, those days are over. This AI-powered platform allows you to create sleek, responsive websites in just minutes, no coding required. Simply describe what you want, and Framer's AI handles the layout, design, and optimization, giving you a site that looks like it was built by a pro. Now here's where the money comes in. Small businesses, freelancers, and coaches all need modern websites to attract clients, but most don't have the time or technical skills to build one. That's where you step in. By offering web design services with Framer, you can deliver stunning, functional websites at a fraction of the time it would take a traditional designer. The earning potential is significant. Freelancers regularly charge $500 to $1,500 per website, depending on the complexity and features included. And since Framer speeds up the entire process, you can take on multiple clients each month, boosting your income while keeping turnaround times short. And finally, at number 7, we have Wegic AI. Imagine having a website built for you just by chatting with an AI. That's exactly what Wegic AI does. Instead of learning code or dragging blocks around in a builder, you simply describe your vision in plain language, colors, features, layout, style, and Wegic AI instantly generates a fully functional website that matches your request. It's like having a professional web developer on call, only faster and far more affordable. With Wegic AI, you can launch websites for clients in record time. Instead of spending weeks building a single site, you can deliver multiple websites each month, dramatically increasing your earning potential. You could package this as a freelance service for small businesses, startups, and entrepreneurs who urgently need an online presence. Or you could take it a step further and flip niche websites, create ready-made sites in popular industries, and sell them as turnkey businesses. Because of the speed and scalability, income with Wegic AI is virtually unlimited. While one-off websites can bring in $500 to $1,000 each, scaling to multiple sites per month could easily translate into thousands of dollars in steady revenue. And there you have it. 7 powerful AI tools that could easily make you $1,000 or more every single month in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos about AI tools, side hustles, and making money online.